64वो नॅशनल अवॉर्ड विनिंग फिल्म फेस्टिवलाचे उक्तावण ब्रेस्तारा पणजे जालें. ESG आनी डिरेक्टरेट ऑफ फिल्म फेस्टिवलान हो फेस्टिवल दवरला. 18 मे ते 14 जून मेरेन तो चलपाचो. 13 भाषांतली 38 फिल्मां ह्या फेस्टिवलांत स्क्रीन जातलीं. फिल्म डायरेक्टर मधुर भंडारकर आनी कीर्ती कुल्हारीन महोत्सवाचें उक्तावण केलें.
To pose for the Kodak moment. The director of K. Sarasara. The film has just released theatrically and it will also be screened as a part of this festival. Mrs. Gayatri Pednikar, the producer of K. Sarasara. And the producer and the lead actor of K. Sarasara, Rajesh Pednikar. It's a very proud moment to see a young director here to compete with all the biggies on the national stage and win an award. So many congratulations to Aditya and the team of Abba Iktana. Mr. Dinesh Bhosle, the director of Enemy, which won the national award for best comedy film in 2016. Many congratulations. Mr. Barbara Barreto, the director of Natsyo Kumpasar. And Mr. Agnello Briganza, the producer of Natsyo Kumpasar. The film is still going strong after it was released way back in 2015. We are proud to have Mr. Sunil Sukankar, the director of Kasab, the winner of the Swarna Kamal at the 2017 National Awards.
एकोणतीसावी राज्य एक्वेटिक सर्त शुक्रारा कांपा स्विमिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सात सुरू जाली. 3 दीस चलपी ह्या सर्तीत इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स तशेंच टीम इव्हेंट जातले. राज्य पांवड्यार टॉप कामगिरी करतल्याक राष्ट्रीय पांवड्यार गोंयचे टीमीत वेंचून काडटले.
I declare this 29 Goa State Sub Junior, Junior and Senior Aquatic Championship open. Jai Hind.
Love isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
The federation had a meeting yesterday with the Ministry of Sports, where they have promised that federation will get 2 more foreign coaches, and I assure you, I will see that one coach comes to Goa to have a clinic, not only for the swimmers, but only for the coaches, also for the coaches. Because we feel that technique adopted by the coaches have also to be updated.
I'm sure the children who are maybe in the age group of 8 to 15 now would try and come here to this place and to other places, other swimming pools in Goa for the next 20-25 years. And I'm sure by that time, all of them would be Olympians. All of them would be Olympians if you would show that kind of consistency and continuity.
गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनाच्या प्रो लिगात खेळटले जाल्यार कॉर्पोरेट टीमीन 50 लाख रुपया भरचे पडटले ही अट FC गोवाक मान्य ना. अशी फी पयलीं केन्नाच घेवंक ना आनी आतांच GFA अशें कित्याक करता असो FC गोवा अध्यक्षाचो प्रस्न. तांणी खंय GFA पत्रांतल्यान आपली भुमिका कळयल्या. अर्थीक अटींचेर GFAन फेरविचार करचो अशें FC गोवाक दिसता.
गेल्या म्हयन्यांत GFAन एक स्पेशल मीटिंग घेवन प्रो लीग सर्तीत खेळपाक 50 लाख फी दवरपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. तेन्ना सावन FC गोवाचो प्रो लीगांत खेळपाचो हेत वाऱ्यार हुमकळटा.
We find this to be unsustainable. There are teams in GFA that run at 1/10 the budget of the money we have been asked to deposit to enter into the Goa Pro League. So I don't think it's a sustainable model. So if this is the way it continues, it will be very difficult for us to enter into the Goa Pro League, because the budgets we have for the first team are not the same budgets we have for our B team. So so we were entering the Goa Pro League knowing the economics of what it means to enter Goa Pro League. But if the economics is completely turned on its head and changed just because we are entering, then it becomes economically impossible for us to do that. We don't have the kind of budgets for our B team or our developmental squad that we do for our first team. So we are hoping that the GFA sort of revises their decision on being able to, on charging us the amount of money they want to charge us. We have put in a secondary letter as a follow-up to tell them of all of this, and let's hope that the best interest of Goan football is at the heart of the decision making on their end.
शुक्रारा सांजे GFA ची मीटिंग आसा. हे मीटिंगेंत प्रो लीगांत खंयची नवी टीम आसतली ते थारपाक शकता. जर सगळ्यांक अर्थीक अटीचेर हरकत आसा जाल्यार ही गजालूय चर्चेक येवंक शकता अशें GFAतली सुत्रां सांगतात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. नमस्कार.